Hi there, and thank you again for meeting with Home for Life Advantage. We truly appreciate the opportunity to learn more about your home and your needs. We know this is an important decision, so we wanted to walk you through what to expect next. If you choose to move forward with the Stiltz Home Lift, first, we'll create a detailed proposal and custom design tailored specifically to your home. Every layout is unique, and getting the design right is key to ensuring the lift fits seamlessly into your space. Once everything is approved, we'll place the order for your lift and begin scheduling your installation timeline. We'll keep you informed every step of the way so there are no surprises. Before installation begins, our team will handle all necessary prep work to make sure your home is ready for a smooth and efficient install. Then comes installation. Our experienced team will complete the installation with a strong focus on quality, cleanliness, and minimizing disruption to your home. After installation, we take care of all finishing details to ensure everything looks clean, polished, and fully integrated into your space. Once everything is complete, we'll walk you through how to use your lift and perform a full inspection to make sure everything is working perfectly. And even after installation, we're still here for you. Your lift is backed by warranty, and we offer ongoing maintenance and support whenever you need it. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to make this process as smooth, safe, and comfortable as possible. Thanks again for considering Home for Life Advantage. We look forward to working with you.